Hey, and thanks for showing some interest in the Guitar Ninja Academy. In this video I'm going to take you through how to register, set up your profile, and how to use the site in general to get the most out of it. So first of all, I've come to theguitarninja.co.uk and I'm going to click on register. Now the first thing I'm going to do is set up my username, email and password. Now the important thing is this email is the same one I'm going to use when I sort out my payment. This will tie together with my account, so it's quite important that I do make sure it's the same one. So I'm just going to put in some test information now and set up a fake profile for this video. Okay, so I've put my information in now and I'm going to hit step 2, payment. So you can see that I'm signed into this account, but I'm not going to have access to anything until I actually subscribe to a system. So there might be a few subscription services left by the time you're watching this, but right now there's only one. So I'm going to click on buy and then I'm going to put in my card information. So as you can see, it's instantly put my email address in and I'm just going to put in the rest of my information to sort out my account. So once you put in your card information and hit confirm, you can see it's taken us through to say that the payment's been successful and we can now check out our profile. So I'm going to click on the link now and we'll have to sign in once again. Okay, so I've put my username and password in and I'm going to hit sign in. Okay, so I've set up my account, I've sorted out the subscription, and I'm on my profile page. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is customize my character and make it my own. So I'm going to click on this customize character. Now this is actually taking me through to my profile page, just as a heads up. So this can be accessed at any time by hitting this little person down at the bottom right. Now on this page there's quite a lot of information, so I'll go through all of this stuff in a minute. But we'll start by just customizing our character here at the top. So you can see we've got the save changes and back to profile. We can scroll down here and we can change the character's eyebrows and all sorts. So let's go for something a bit different. So I've got some weird eyebrows. If I click on eyebrows, it will close that option and then I can open the eyes. There might be eyes missing. It's only because we're still in test phase whilst I'm filming this. So don't worry, they'll be sorted by the time you're looking. So I'm just going to select some things that I've not used for other ones. There we go. And a beard. Let's stay clean shaven. Yeah, there we go. So then I can save the changes and that will take me back to the profile, or I can actually move across from the face to the rest of the character, and weirdly the hair is in the next character section. So let's go for a nice tight haircut. Yeah, that will do. What else have we got? We can change the facial shape. Yep, there's a really weird one. We can go for this. I might keep with that actually. I don't know what that noise was, but hey, I'm going to keep that in this video because it was funny. Character top. We could... Yeah, we've not gone facial hair or anything. I mean, it wouldn't matter. We could go female anyway. So I want to make sure it's got the female torso. And let's give it a skirt. And... you can see here, to buy some of these things, we need to buy them before we can use them. So I'm just going to go for some flip-flops, or obviously flip-flops is the English term if you're watching this elsewhere and think of them as thongs or anything else. So there's our character customized. Now we can go across and change guitars, but as you can see, all of these require coins, which we've got to earn through completing lessons and things. I'll cover that more later. Same with the amps we can upgrade, and our scenes where we need fans. We need to have bigger fans to reach bigger stages. So I'm just going to save the changes we've made there. This will take us back to our profile with our new customized character in shot. Now I can download that character and store it, so I've got the banners or a profile pic of just my character, so I could use that on social media sites and things like that, share it around with. So let's do a speed run of what's on the profile page. So obviously we've got our main character at the top, we've got awards. These we will unlock by completing courses, watching so many videos, doing well in mini games, all sorts of things like that. So we'll earn those, and when we earn them they'll turn to colour. So I'm going to scroll past those. It may look a little bit different by the time you're watching this because it's taking up quite a bit of the profile space at the moment, and there's a lot more awards to come. But underneath those you can see we've got our friends, so we can add friends and we can compare how we're doing against those. So I'll take you through that a bit more later on in the video. Below that we can see our subscription settings. Stripe is the payment system we use, so it might say manage payment details. That may be a little bit different again, but it will be all your subscription information where you can change to upgrade or downgrade if you need to. Then below that you can see our current coins or fans. This is what we need for our stages or to buy better guitars and amps. Now these we will earn through the lessons and courses, and again I'll come back to that in a minute. The point store is the same as the customization. That's for us to get better amps and guitars for our character. The leaderboard will look better when we got more friends. At the moment we've got nothing and it's just us. And then below that you've got your own profile details. Your Guitar Ninja ID number could be pretty handy if you have any technical issues, because that's our quickest and easiest way to work out which account is yours, although your email address and things will still work. Again, below here we've got another option to download our banner or our avatar, and there's our profile page. So scrolling back up through the profile page, let's look at this again. Coins and fans. We want to earn some so we can upgrade our character right here at the top and make it look cooler with better amps, pedals, better guitars. And how we're going to do that is by completing lessons. So if we look down here at the bottom, we've got an option for lesson videos here. So that's the one next to the profile, and if we come across one more, we've got an even better option, which is our courses. So the lessons have all of our lessons, but the courses page have them sorted into courses and playlists. So you can see our courses that are beginner. We can scroll through all of those and select one. We can also look at our strap courses. So if you're unaware of how the Guitar Ninja works, like most ninjas in martial arts, they grade through colored belts. We actually grade through colored guitar straps. So we go from our white up through until you get your black strap. Now if you get confused on the color order, we can scroll to the top of almost any of the pages and you'll see the straps right here at the top. Grey for ungraded, then white all the way through until you get your black strap and become an official Guitar Ninja. So we can scroll through, there's loads of different categories, and we've got courses and playlists. They're just collections of lessons. The difference between a course and a playlist though is the courses will have a quiz at the end to check that you've got the knowledge in your head, and they'll give you more fans and coins for completing the quizzes. So the courses are by far better, but the playlists are great to have as well. And as we go down, you'll see there's a whole category just for backing tracks and for a few other bits and bobs that you might enjoy. There's a whole section for coming soon videos, so if there's something in particular you'd like to learn and it's not covered in any of the current courses or showing here, please contact us and let us know, and we'll make sure that that's added to the list of courses to do soon. We are constantly adding more material to the site, so if nothing's on there at the moment, don't feel scared at all to contact us. We want to make this the best thing on the planet, so if you have any ideas on ways to improve or courses that are missing, just let us know. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at the white strap course, because it's from ungraded to white. That's from knowing nothing about guitar to getting your first grade. So I'm going to click on here and start the course. Now you can see I can just start the first video, or below you can see a list of all the videos and the quiz at the end. So we could skip ahead to certain parts if we want to, or if we have problems. We can see everything that's there, and you can see that we're going to get awarded a white strap medal at the end, or an award, achievement, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to start the course now. So when I'm watching the videos within the courses, or even if I'm just watching a single lesson by itself on the lessons tab, then you can see underneath we've got options for information, tab, chord graphs and such. Obviously there's nothing on this video but some basic learning information because we're early in the lessons, but later on all of these documents will be available below the video to check out. You can even leave your feedback underneath the video for us to check out, so we can communicate even at these early stages of the site. Okay, so I'm now halfway through the course. I know the video number says 6, but that's because there's an introduction video. So this is actually video 5 of the course. I've not started watching it, so I've actually finished the first 4 videos. But what if I got busy and needed to sign out? When I sign back in, I'll just come to my profile page. So if I click on that now, the first thing you'll see is we've got an option. Would you like to continue? So we can click straight to that. It will take us to the home page of that course. We can scroll down and you can see there's ticks next to the lessons we've completed. So if I click on the next video, I can then click play and start from where I finished. Okay, so I've now just completed the course, I've finished the outro video and I'm going to hit next lesson. Now it's actually going to take me to the quiz. Now the image is small, but we've managed to get that fixed, so that will be full size by the time you're working on here. The part of the guitar that has the tuners on is the head. Boom, there's an answer to start with. So I'm going to go through this quiz answering all of the questions, and then I should get my award, fans, and everything at the end. So I'm not going to give you the answers, so that's what you're getting. Okay, so I've now just finished the quiz, and I got an answer wrong, so I didn't manage to get a gold, I've only got a silver award. But that's great, that gives me the chance to then review some of the lessons. I can then say I've completed the course. Now the fans and my coins are secure along with my award. I can repeat the course, watch certain ones again, and do the quiz again if I want to. So I've got all of those options, or I can just go back to the courses page or the lessons page. So now I've clicked over onto the lessons page, and as you can see, we've got all of the lessons here. So all of these lessons are within the courses and playlists anyway, but it's just a way for you to look for. You can even search up one specific lesson if there's something you wanted to check out or check out again. So I'm going to go back to my profile now that I've completed the course. As you can see, we've upgraded. We've managed to gain enough fans from completing that course to go from the garage into a pub gig. And if I start to scroll down, you can see my White Strap Silver award is there. And as I carry on scrolling down past the awards, you can see that our coins and fans have gone up. So now I've got some coins I can spend to customize my character. So underneath the banner picture at the top, you can see there's the customize option, but here we can hit the point store. It takes us to the same place. So when I jump across now to the point store, I can spend those coins that I've just earned on upgrades. Now we already know that there's nothing for facial features that cost money. So if we come across to the outfits, we could spend some money on some outfits if we wanted. I don't know if I actually want to spend some money on outfits. I'd rather spend it on guitars first myself, but I know some people that really like to change how their characters look. I'm going to jump across now, and I can upgrade to a different guitar. I think I'm going to go for this one. Again, these images will be full by the time you're using the site. We are still in test phase whilst I'm recording this video. But there's a better guitar, and I could hit save changes now, or I can carry on looking for more upgrades. So I'm going to have a look at upgrading my amp as well, because I've got the coins to get both. I'm going to have a look. We can go backwards in our scene to the garage if we want, but we can see we need more fans to unlock any of the other stages. So that will do. I'm going to hit save changes now. That will jump me back to the profile page, and you can see I've got the new guitar and the bigger amp in place. So I've scrolled down to the friends area on the profile page, and we can add a friend using their username or their email address. So I'm going to go ahead and add one of my other characters, and then they're going to get the request and add me. So by hitting add friend, it's going to then refresh my profile page. But if I scroll down now, you can see it's on the outgoing requests. I've given Ninja Guitar a chance to accept, so I'm going to refresh my profile. And then I'm scrolling down again, and you can see they are now under my friends list. So I can click on their profile, and I can see their avatar. Yes, I made a female with a mustache. I thought it was funny. And you can scroll down and see their rewards and their fans and coins. And you can see their friends as well. So you can see they've got quite a few. So we can check out their friends and potentially add them as a friend as well. So if we've got some mutual friends, we can add them in. Now you can also remove friends. So if I go back to my profile, I can scroll down, and you can see we can remove them if we need to as well. But hopefully you won't need to. I'm sure everybody's going to be friendly and lovely. Obviously, if somebody sends you a request, you're going to get the option here coming under the incoming, and you can just click on their profile to accept them. So let's take you through some of the other features of the site. Now we've got the main profile lessons and courses down here, but if we click on the three lines, we've also got the chance to look at a few other things. So I'm going to work from the bottom up. So we've got our tools. When I click on here, we actually have a tuner that we can use. So we can start the tuner and tune up a guitar. It works like most tuners, and this will be included in a lesson. If it's not already on the site, it will be on there very soon. And underneath here, we also have a metronome for those that like to keep time. This gives you a click track to work to that we can speed up in increments of 5, or we can drag it up, or just click randomly to select different speeds. And we can choose the timing of quarter, eighth, or 16th notes. If you're not sure what these are, there is a lesson on timing in that beginner course, that white strap one I had to go at a second ago. So there are tools. I'm going to click back on the 3 lines. Lessons and courses you already know. The games, by the time you're clicking on here, there will be some mini games, but these will be based on the course quizzes, just to help you refresh your knowledge at the moment. More games will come as we progress, but it might be a quick way to earn some coins and fans, and if you've not got time for some lessons or courses but want to develop your skills and check on them, the quizzes could be a great way to do it in the mini games. We can then have a look at a forum. This won't be coming in phase 1 of the site, but you can comment on all of the lessons that you want to, so we can still interact in the meantime. The last option then is the merchandise. Now we have loads of options with the Guitar Ninja on there. That's actual in real life merchandise, so you can order yourself some Guitar Ninja t-shirts, hoodies, cups, all sorts. There's so much under there, it's unbelievable. So check it out and see what you like. So I'm just going to head back to my profile to wrap things up. So if I jump across now, there we go. There is our profile, and I think that's everything you need to know. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we shall answer where we can. Thank you very much for checking out the Guitar Ninja Academy, and I hope to see your profile and your avatar rocking out on a big stage soon.